Are we live?
Yes, we're live.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, मेरा fake mode activate कर रहा हूँ मैं भी. Good morning.
Good
Yes.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
I like how we're like changing all our layouts and stuff.
Layouts.
Yeah, we changed the whole layout
Like
for
you
our
mean
second
like
episode.
I know, but I think it fits better
Yeah,
with the whole theme.
nice. Uh, yeah, okay, cool. So it's all
Yeah.
set up.
Let's do this, guys.
Let's do this.
What's up?
What's up?
So can you see it? Or you can't see OBS, right? Can
Yeah,
you?
we
Dude,
can.
I'll open this on my phone.
Go for it. Yeah, Sam.
So
Go for it, Karthik.
so yeah, I mean, welcome to episode 2 where we've completely changed the layout of our stream. It took a while to get it all set up. That's why, we're like 8 minutes late, but who cares? It's
Took a
fine.
while for it to look really good. That's
Yes.
the
Yeah,
main
someone
thing.
had
Yes.
to make green tea as well, so
Yeah. Someone had to come to the cafe
Hey, hey,
and
hey,
they
hey,
they
hey,
took their
hey,
time,
hey, hey.
not naming any names.
Are we marketing my cafe
Yes.
on a gaming podcast?
Subscribe to Beanstalk
Thanks, guys.
Cafe.
I have a gaming channel as well. Okay, anyways,
if you
guys,
use
let's talk
coupon code
about this.
3HP, you'll get 10% discount. You,
Yeah.
you didn't get it from me. Yeah, anyway, moving on. Karthik.
Moving on. So,
No.
this week, we decided to do kind of like this week in games, a Twig episode, if I may say so. So, yeah, it's basically like we kind of look back at all the major stories that happened in this week. I mean, of course, there may be some that we may have missed. But yeah, this is what I thought that was like kind of like the major news that happened in games. So yeah, I mean, first one is of course the first one is Uncharted. Uncharted movie is like finally getting
Uncharted.
um like we're getting more and more images from the Uncharted movie that's coming up. So I don't know, what are your guys's hype level for Uncharted?
Well, I guys is I think I think honestly I'm not so excited for any video game movie whenever it comes out. Like I'm
Hmm.
never excited until
Hmm.
I really watch the movie and then go like, maybe it's decent, it's good, it's bad, whatever.
Hmm.
But I really don't like watching video game movies because they've always disappointed me. Always.
Yeah,
I
that's.
think Mortal Kombat was the closest one that I expected it to be like, it was exactly what I expected it to be like.
Hmm. Oh, have you watched
So
Mortal
yeah.
Kombat?
Yeah, I did.
The new one.
I did. The new one, the new one. Of
I've
course,
heard.
dude. I'm not talking about the old
Oh,
one.
I don't
That
know.
was like
So
1990s.
I've
That
heard.
was like
So in terms of like, as in terms of Mortal Kombat movies, like I think the first one is really good, and then all of them are like absolute garbage. The all the others, and then the new one is I think still it's kind of close to the quality of one. But the I've heard that the action sequences and stuff
yeah.
is like really good.
It seemed more like choreographed, keeping in mind the set pieces more than like a very fluid story. It was
Hmm.
just like, okay, now they're here, they fight, they go there, they fight. The first one, the 1990s one, I mean, that was horrible. Like I never liked that movie.
Hmm.
I swear, I remember watching it for the first time and I was so disappointed. But coming back to Uncharted, I think, what do you guys think about the casting? Tom Holland,
Looking at the
what do you guys
pictures,
think?
like what am I saying? Like the map and the
Hmm.
room that they showed, one of
Mm-hmm.
the uh, like whatever the background, like not keeping the cast aside, that looks promising.
Yeah.
Uh, because it looks like the game. I remember Uncharted 4, and it has a similar mood.
Hmm.
But thinking about the casting, I think that Tom Holland isn't really suitable to be Nathan Drake because he seems too young, and it doesn't
Too
match
young.
the video game character. Now I've been playing
Yeah.
Uncharted. I've played 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the last one, the DLC. What was the name of that?
Lost
Uh,
Legacy.
yeah. So
Lost Legacy, yeah.
More
I
like a
have this,
spin-off, not a DLC, but yeah.
I have this, I have this character in mind when I think of Nathan Drake, and when I look at Tom Holland, it doesn't match. Now I'm not saying that Tom Holland is a bad actor or
Hmm.
he's not suitable for the role. It's just it doesn't match the image that I have in my head, and I think a lot of other people as well would have the same. I
Yeah,
don't know.
like
Like, what's your
Yeah.
opinion about him?
that's what I've heard like on the internet. Like people are complaining. So first of all, I mean the internet is the internet. People complain about everything, all the
Yeah.
time. So first of all, people are complaining that Nathan Drake looks too young. But then that's the thing with Tom Holland, right? Like he could be like 30 years old and he could still look like a 19-year-old. Like
Yeah.
he looks very
Yeah.
young. He
Yeah.
always looks very young. That's why he was chosen for Spider-Man because they were trying to portray a Spider-Man that is like,
Yeah.
just starting off in his superhero career journey adventure whatever. But
Yeah.
yeah, that's why they chose Tom
Got it.
Holland for Spider-Man. And that's one of the
Yeah.
major complaints. I mean obviously even I'm used to seeing Nathan Drake quite a bit older because obviously
What,
Uncharted 1.
what do you guys think?
Mhm.
What do you guys think about the whole flashback sequence? What will they do for that? If you guys have played the game, you remember like there was a
Mhm.
whole flashback sequence. I think in part 3 or 4,
4, yeah.
and it was like when
Or
they were young.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I don't know
dude,
what they're gonna do for that.
that is.
Seriously.
I think that is still manageable. What I am thinking about is if they plan to include that the ending scene from Uncharted 4, where we see a very older Drake.
Mhm.
So imagine this one, Tom Holland as that Nathan Drake. Like, how would you make him seem old? Because whatever you do to him, he just always looks too young for the role. You know.
Yeah, I think that they
Yeah.
won't try to like finish the series definitely. Like this seems
It
more
will.
like an Uncharted 1 kind of adaptation, like at least in that timeline, because definitely not Uncharted 4. Because if so they I mean obviously they employed Tom Holland and they employed Mark Wahlberg, which is like of course two of them like really big actors. I
Right.
definitely
Right.
see it becoming a series, like a trilogy or something. So they're definitely not
Yeah.
going to adapt
If it
Uncharted
works.
4 story, and they're definitely not going to end this like Uncharted 4, because obviously Uncharted 4 is seemingly Nathan Drake's end. Like that's probably the last game that Nathan Drake will feature in. Um,
I think it's gonna be more like Tomb Raider. Like if you guys have seen the movie,
mhm,
they they took like a lot of things from the game.
mhm.
I mean, they cast the same actor, right? Who did the mocap and everything
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
game.
Hmm.
So I mean, that I think that's what they're gonna go
What?
with, like for this. If it works, yeah,
Which movie are you talking about? Is it out or is it in the
Tomb
works
Raider,
right now?
Tomb Raider,
I don't think
Tomb
it's the
Raider.
same actress because that actress is
It is, it is,
from
it is.
Ex Machina.
Ex Machina.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Wait,
the same
she
actress.
did the motion capture?
Yeah, that's what they were saying, right? When the
Oh,
movie
I
was
didn't
gonna
know
come out,
that.
it was everywhere. Yeah.
That's crazy. Another thing that
Okay.
the people have complained about for quite a bit is Sully's mustache. So in
Oh yeah,
one
yeah,
of
yeah.
these, yeah. So as you can see, there's no mustache, right? Sully doesn't have a mustache. So
Right.
that's
Dude, I
Sully in the back.
remember one drawing from Nathan's diary where specifically mentions Sully's mustache, right? Do you
Hmm.
remember that page?
Uh,
That's like a very important part. I know it might sound stupid that oh this guy doesn't have a mustache, but
mhm.
dude, it is the video game character, and the cast is supposed to match that.
Yeah,
Or
that's why.
maybe
Mhm.
maybe these what these people are doing is they're not keeping the video game Nathan Drake in mind and the video game Sully in mind, and they are
Maybe,
basically going for
maybe.
their own
Own thing,
characters.
yeah.
You know.
But
Maybe.
that's why it's like,
Let's see.
it's a very double-edged sword. Like so you can like be like the video game, but still fail horribly, and you can do your own thing. But it's inevitable that people will try to compare it to the game. Like, oh, Sully is this
Right.
older guy, like really heavy voice, and he has this like very strong physique, and he has like a mustache. And then if the movie doesn't have it, then people will compare it, and people will try to criticize
No,
the movie on
there will
those lines.
always be a problem whenever anything comes out first, whether it's a movie and then the game is based on a movie, or
Hmm.
the or it's the other way around.
Yeah.
So even if it you know goes away from the original thing,
Source
Hmm.
material.
everyone has a problem with that. So I guess
Yeah,
that's what it is
of
then.
course.
And in the chat we can see Pritesh plug like selfishly plugging himself, plugging his brand Forish Honey.
That's not
So
even his brand,
yeah.
bro.
Oh yeah, actually he just works there.
He's
Yes.
getting paid
He
for it.
used to.
Used to, yes. What? Dude, you used to work there. Why are you plugging it in? Um, so yeah, I mean, same,
Anyways, let's move on to the
yeah,
next.
cautiously optimistic, I guess, because obviously I love Uncharted and yeah, we shall
Oh,
see.
I thought you were talking about honey.
No, no, no.
What the hell?
So yeah, and I'm just gonna keep it black for now, or maybe I can just switch on. Sure, this one. Yeah, let's just keep it here. But yeah, so the second story is Knockout City has hit 2 million players. Like, damn, that is actually quite surprising. Um,
That's crazy.
like two. I mean, sure, like we played the game. We played it on
Wait, wait,
stream.
wait. So is it 2 million after the game? Wait, when is the game going? When is the free trial ending?
Uh, 2nd June, I believe.
Today.
2nd June. Oh,
Was
today.
it today? Second June, okay.
So this is about the
I thought it
free
was today.
trial, right?
Yeah.
Got it.
I mean, I guess in that sense, it's not that surprising because obviously it was free.
Yeah,
Yeah.
But it's still,
it's
it.
free.
I mean, there wasn't a lot of marketing for that game. There was just that one trailer. And of course that trailer was really good and that gameplay seemed a lot of fun. So it did generate a lot of
They
hype
just
for the game.
released like a beta version, right?
Sorry.
They released something before the trial came out.
Hmm.
It
So
was during the
remember, like when we
PlayStation
we tried to
showcase.
download, I think so. That was just like a small, like just like a snippet of what the
Yeah.
game could be, and I think the game is pretty good.
Hmm.
Like, but I don't think it will age well right now if it's going to be a paid game. Like, it's better, like if they have the whole battle pass system and all that, like
Hmm.
to earn something out of it.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, that's what I was also concerned about because Fall Guys, sorry, not
Fall Guys.
Fallout. Yeah, Fall Guys was also a similar game, like colorful visuals, a lot of fun to play, but it didn't, at least for
Yeah,
me, it didn't
yeah.
last long. Like, I played it for like a, a
I
couple
know.
couple
I
sessions,
know
maybe
what you
three,
mean.
4 sessions, and then I was done with it. I was like, okay, cool, I'm not looking back. Same with Among
Yeah.
Us. Like, it was fun when you're like 7, 8 people sitting in the same room and playing Among Us. It's a lot of fun, but then it goes away like all internet trends do. So
Like it's like anything, you jump on the hype train and then it just goes away and then you're
mhm.
just like, okay, now I'm done with it. Like this is like one of those kind of games,
And especially with these
you
games,
know?
right? Like there's no substance in a sense. Like there's no story to keep
Yeah.
people going. There's no story to keep
Mm.
people
Right, right.
remembering this. It's just like you sit down, you play a game, and then you leave. It's like you're in the middle of a
Mhm.
meeting, and then you have this like kind of a break between meetings after the meeting, and then it's like you sit down, you play a game, and then
Right.
you play a match, and then you leave the game, and that's about
It
it. So
totally depends on what kind of game modes they keep on adding. But then
mhm,
again, like right now, since people have played it and if they're interested, they can go and get the game. But
yep.
to be honest, like if if someone told me to buy that game, I don't think like I will get that one because I have a few other games that I
Mhm,
want to play before buying Knockout City.
yeah.
So they could have done that battle pass thing. Like I agree, but then like I'm no one to tell someone, dude, like your game is supposed to be free. That's totally on them. Um, but like how eventually Rocket League uh, took that decision where it was a paid game before
Mm.
and then it went free.
Yeah, but
And
still,
like,
like
what's up with that?
I agree with you. Like, okay, we can't say them, we can't tell them how to release this game or to make it free. But
Yeah.
we as consumers, like, I still think that this game should have been free to play, like all along. Like, it's okay.
Mm.
You're
Yeah.
giving us this free trial now. You're like, showing us how the game is, and we've experienced it for ourselves. We know the game is really good. We know the game is top notch,
Yeah.
but there's no ranked mode yet. I think that's they made that decision on purpose. So the ranked mode will
Mhm.
probably be available when the trial ends. And that's what people need to keep going. Like there's a ranked mode. There's a few modes that they might add in the future. So if they would have made this game free, then it would have been much easier to justify them releasing more modes later. But like as of now, the game costs what, like $30, I believe. And
Yeah, it's
of course in
1,500 rupees
in India
Indian.
it's
Yeah.
1,500 rupees.
Mm.
I don't think it justifies the price. I
Uh,
Uh, I
I
think it's
agree, dude.
pretty
Like,
cheap for a new game.
Mhm.
Like it's a new game, man. You have to remember, like
Yep.
they'll try to just earn the, at least like try to earn before they make it like
Hmm.
free to play or
Yep.
whatever.
And coming back to Rocket League, so what
But
happened
I think
was, Mhm.
keeping that in mind, it's fair. Good.
Yeah, the thing is, oh wait, Norman Creature says 2 months later. Oh yeah, 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 that's true. Like game releases and then 2 months later it
Yeah,
comes for free on
yeah.
Epic Games. That's the thing. Like
Mm.
this kind of a process of giving out to games for free, it kind of devaluates the games as well. Like if I had bought a game with my own money,
Oh.
then I would be
Yeah, you
more
would value the
inclined.
game
Yeah,
more,
I would be more inclined to
definitely.
complete it. But like now I have like what 50, 60 games on Epic Games and I haven't played even one of them. I haven't completed a single one of them. But yeah, I guess it's there in my library. Um,
The thing about Knockout City is I saw the store as well, and like I saw a lot of skins, and there is they have microtransactions in that game as well. Like I
mhm,
saw skins, and also you can definitely spend real currency to buy in-game currency. So they have that, but on the other hand, like the game is paid. I don't know if there will ever be a battle pass system.
yep.
So I just feel that there are a lot of blocks, paid blocks to play to enjoy
Mhm,
the game completely. Like if you have microtransactions, I guess you can you should do this thing that just make the game free so that people are anyway spending money on skins that really add not much value, but it's just cosmetic.
mhm.
Otherwise, if you're selling a paid game, just don't add microtransactions. I think that is where I don't really understand like what's up with that
I
with the
also
game.
I also feel that
So
it becomes harder and harder to convince your friends.
Again, if you,
I I love this thing about Fall Guys is that
Hmm.
we got it. I
Yep.
got it for free, but I got it on PlayStation Plus. So I paid for the PlayStation Plus, and that is how I got it.
Hmm.
Now I remember one of my friend. He was like really hyped with the game because all the streamers were playing that, and
Hmm.
he got it for like 2000 something.
Yep.
And the thing about that game was when we have the game, we don't have to pay for anything else. The battle pass is free. Everything is free in that game, and it's just how much you grind.
Hmm.
You end up getting more cosmetics and stuff like that.
And
So it's just that,
and not to
and it's
mention, no,
EA, dude.
yeah, I mean, yeah, that's true. This probably could
yeah,
have been
yeah,
EA's choice as well, like make the game premium. But it like I feel like it needs to be mentioned that it is free for Xbox and PC Game Pass subscribers.
On Game Pass.
Yeah, it's free on Game Pass Ultimate. But
Mm.
it's
So how
not.
does Game Pass work? So
Mhm.
Microsoft
I
pays
think,
those people, right? Or for every person who download
Yeah,
that,
so
like a
obviously it's
portion.
very hush hush, and nobody actually knows how developers get paid through Game Pass. But
Mm.
like, there's a few theories out there, and I think the most believed theory is the more hours the players put in, the more you get paid. So basically, if
Like
there's like,
streaming music or
yeah,
something like that.
yeah, like streaming
Oh,
music,
okay.
like
okay, okay,
if there's
yeah,
like 100 people putting in 100 hours each, then you get paid according to that. How much time each player is playing.
right.
So it's kind of could get unfair after a while, because obviously then the
Definitely.
games which are not being played a lot, they'll get removed, and there's like a lot of stuff you don't really own those games.
True,
So
true.
but it's really good for developers, and like especially for Knockout City. Like I don't think a lot of people are gonna buy this game. I mean, I would love to find out next week.
Of course. But regardless, honestly, regardless, like I think it's a pretty good game for
Hmm.
now. Like when we are like while we play, we can just enjoy like with a
Yep.
big group of
Hey,
friends or and all
nomenclature,
that.
what's up?
Like
Yep.
let's see how it
Oh,
ages, Let's see. Okay.
Wow.
oh, dude, I'm
Himanshu
so sorry. I just
Himanshu just
interrupted you.
showed
So
his
yeah,
I
so
read
his
the
height,
chat.
so next.
and then he's like, oh my God, I'm streaming. What's up, Karan? What's up?
No,
What's
it's okay.
up?
It's okay.
Dude, I read the
I
chat and
think
I got
good.
excited and I just got up like this.
Yeah. Oh, you know Norman Creature?
Yeah, dude.
I mean, yeah, of course you know, but how do you know him
Oh,
slash her
he's Adil's
slash they?
friend.
Oh yeah.
He he watched us play Dying Light.
Hmm.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, we did play
Oh, nice.
Knockout
Okay,
City,
let's move
and
on to the next, guys.
if you would like us, I mean, if you would like to
It
watch
was
it,
good.
it's on our Twitch already. So, Farhan,
Would you
your
like
voice
us?
is actually cutting out. I noticed
Yes.
that. Um,
It's a
Really?
good thing. Good
Even
thing.
now?
can you also move the
Hey,
mic closer to your mouth?
can you guys hear me?
Hmm. That
Yeah,
Hello.
we can, but it's lagging a bit.
yeah,
Like
it's
your
Yeah,
lagging.
video is.
It's fine as long as we can hear you, right?
I have no idea why. Okay.
Third story is
If that
kind of
works,
like
then why not?
third story is like kind of for me because it's about Unreal Engine 5 and I am very excited to see what comes up like because Unreal Engine 5 is like so Farhan, right, like
Yeah.
you do 3D modeling of games. So like how we have to limit our polygons. You have to limit the
Yeah,
try
that's
count,
right.
you have to limit the polygon count of each model. But with Unreal Engine 5 you don't need to do that anymore.
Polygon.
It's like
Mhm.
it can render
Really?
so many
Okay.
polygons. It can render like I believe in one of the scenes there were like billions of polygons and it was running smooth at 4K 60 frames per
Oh, I
second.
remember that game, dude.
Yep.
There were like a lot of
Nice.
statues in that one
Mm-hmm.
room. I
Yep.
remember. Oh,
And
got it, got it.
there's like dust
I didn't see that.
there's like dust particles and like small like tiny rocks, and they also had like a lot of like polygons. Their try count was quite high and but they were
Nice.
still being rendered and they were all being physics that like they all had physics of their own. And there's also new technology called nanite technology which helps in this higher polygon range, higher polygon threshold, whatever.
Okay.
So yeah, it's it. And
Looks pretty
recently
cool.
another demo came out. Actually, I think I can play it.
Okay.
Let me just show you a little bit of it.
Pritesh, by the way, I'm done.
Yep, his coffee is
Farhan's
over.
coffee mug is like endless. Well, dude, like
Okay,
he just keeps on.
can you see the
Hi,
video?
I'm Chance Ivy, Senior Technical Designer at
Yeah,
Epic Games.
no,
And
we
I'm
cannot.
Galen Davis, producer
Yeah,
and
we can.
evangelist for Quixel
No,
at
we
Epic
cannot.
Games.
No, we
Last
cannot.
summer, we revealed
we
the
can.
first
We
look
can.
at what's coming in Unreal
Now
Engine
you can.
5, the next generation of
I
our
hope
No,
you
real-time
we
can.
technology. In our
Never
demo,
mind.
dude, dude, just
Yeah,
uh,
it's fine.
open it on the side.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, it looks really good. Just watch it. I mean, technical
It's okay, play it,
difficulties.
dude. Like it doesn't matter, right? Is our video being frozen because of that?
I'm not sure. Let me see.
In true native 4K at the cost of
So
Oh, dude, it's okay.
Okay.
It's
uh,
too technical.
too technical, right? Yeah. Let me just see. So there was like gameplay. Um, okay, they don't show the
Man,
gameplay.
this
Hold on.
looks so good.
Yeah, it looks so good, right? It looks so photorealistic.
So good.
Uh, Hopefully
Oh yeah, I saw this. I saw this
this
clip.
is it.
I
Yeah,
remember
okay,
seeing
cool.
this.
This is
Right,
it.
right, right.
So yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Damn.
just look at this, man. Oh my God.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
My God. And like when the character fights with the boss, that also looks gorgeous, dude. Like, and you think about it, right? Like you think about all the games we used to play as kids on Nintendo Entertainment Systems and PS1s and Xbox, original Xbox.
Yeah.
Like just imagine how far the games have
This is
gotten,
what they used to show on the cover art, and now it's
Yeah,
the
this
video game itself.
this is what they used to be like. Like so, even pre-rendered cutscenes back then weren't
Actually,
as good looking as this. And this is
that's
amazing.
good. Yeah. Man, but I really got to say the character design of the boss, like I
Hmm.
mean, just look at that.
Yeah,
Just look at the details. I don't know, like from that like 3D modeling aspect, like I can just think about it and just go like, wow, this
yeah.
is so
You
good.
and you can and like you're just like I mean you're not you haven't been doing it for years and years, and you're just starting out, and even you can say that
Yeah,
how good
yeah.
it
I
looks.
just started, right?
So it's so obvious that this
Actually,
upgrade is fucking huge. Damn man, this is
Oh,
this is
it's
mind
crazy.
blowing.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
It feels like a
That
Pixar
is cool.
animated movie, man. That was crazy.
Yeah,
So yeah, okay.
man,
Moving on to
this
a
is gonna be
more
what
good.
was
Mhm.
what was that game? There's a
that
new game coming out, right, for the PS5. I
it's
forgot the
not
name.
really a game. It's just kind of a demo that they've created. So and by the way,
No, no,
I
no, I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about a game. It's going to come out, dude, on the PlayStation 5. That game looks like a
oh
Pixar game.
Oh,
What was the name of that?
Kenna Spirit of Bridges or
Yeah, yeah,
something.
that one,
Yep.
that one, that
Oh
one, that
God,
one.
yeah, that looks amazing.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
and yeah, there's going to be an Xbox Bethesda E3 showcase as well. So they confirmed the date. I believe it's June 13th. Um, and yeah, you
13th.
guys.
That's
Okay,
right.
before we start, I think guys, I think we need to read the chats once
Oh, okay.
before we start.
Mm-hmm.
Because Norman was telling us something.
Oh, sorry.
Himanshu, why don't you read it out?
Remember when I played
He's
Halo
your friend.
3 and Halo Reach when you have to grind to get the cosmetic stuff, etc. Yeah, dude, exactly. Like, uh, the thing is, earlier having good cosmetics was something that showed that you are a better player and that you have grinded like a lot to be to have that skin. And like right now, it's just pay and then you can just have whatever you want. So
Mm-hmm.
similarly in Apex as well. I don't know if you guys understand this, but I remember Pritesh saying the same thing, and I also feel it sometimes. Whenever I see whenever I see an opponent with a very a skin
Badass
that
cosmetic. Yep.
that you can't buy from the in-game currency, you have to like purchase it.
Mm-hmm.
That's when you think that, oh dude, I think this guy is serious and this guy means business. But the thing is, anyone can buy that thing.
Mm.
It's just any person can get it, and it's just who has the more amount of money or who's more interested in the game can get that thing. So usually, like earlier, I used to get scared by that, but now I don't really care about it. Like, ah, cool, we'll just go kill this person. It's like that. So I guess
Yep.
that is what has changed over time, probably, with being able to buy skins. And
Mm.
what's up with Fortnite? Can you like buy
Like
the
it's
skins
like
in that,
exactly
or
Yep.
what?
yeah,
Farhan was saying something.
yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can buy individual
I was
skins in
saying it's
Fortnite.
exactly like what Ruben is saying. You had to earn it. Initially, it was like that, but now
And
it's not.
Pritesh says that I buy it every season. I've only bought two battle passes yet, and yeah, I grinded for the first one, but then yeah, second time around, I don't know what I was thinking buying it. But I feel like I've given so much of my time to Apex. I feel like $20 is not a big deal. $20 or 1,600
Actually,
rupees.
dude.
It's
Also, like I've
Fair
had the
enough.
same battle pass since like 2 or 3
Fair enough.
seasons now.
Depends
It's
on your
just
perspective.
it never ends, dude.
yeah, and
Farhan, on the other hand, this guy is a leech, dude. He'll take everything from the game, but he'll never give back anything.
yep, never.
I'm never gonna, I'm never gonna buy anything. But I love free games, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so we have an hierarchy
Okay,
over here.
let's
Farhan
move on to the next.
is one cheap fucker. I am somewhere in the mid. Kartik, on the other hand, just spends everything on the game,
Yeah,
on
it's
video
like
games. Like he won't really care much about that.
yeah, that's the thing, right? I'm a game developer, so I know how much effort it takes to make a game, even if it's like the most simplest looking thing. So yeah, I'm not
We have
gonna.
a pro,
But
there's an
there
enthusiast,
is
and then
another
there's someone, dude. I don't know what's this issue.
a
That's
leech,
Farhan. That's it.
freeloader, freeloader, freeloader. I'm a freeloader.
Freeloader
I can
Farhan,
be
yeah.
a freeloader. I don't mind.
Fair enough,
Yes.
right? Like, people have priorities, I guess.
That's
Le-
actually a cool dynamic, dude. Like we have
Yeah.
three personas over here,
Yep.
and I think that adds a lot to the podcast.
Yep. What is that?
Okay, let's move on to the
You said
next
you
guys.
said podcast. That's why. Next story. Yeah, I was gonna talk about Xbox and Bethesda showcase, but I don't
Dude,
know how.
did we miss that PlayStation planning and expansion?
Oh yeah,
That
yeah,
part.
yeah. PlayStation is
What's
planning.
up with that?
So PlayStation is actually planning to move more into like make more mobile games and apps because obviously mobile games
What do
is
you
where
mean
it.
more mobile games, dude? What are the other mobile games? I recently started playing Apex and got Heirloom in my eighth Apex pack.
What? That is crazy. I mean,
What?
I got my heirloom
What?
when I was like 250 level or something, which was still like
Dude, for
huge.
me, it's been 8 seasons, and that's like 24, 2 years almost.
And you got nothing.
And I have
You
nothing,
got
dude.
nothing.
Damn.
Dude, can we ban this guy?
Yes,
Hilarious.
let's ban him. Wow, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Oh, and by the way, Pritesh, if you swear in the chat, I think the auto mod will withhold your messages. I think I can allow. I believe.
Yeah, you'll have to do it manually. They have these
No,
certain
please don't.
words that
Please don't allow anything.
Yeah, I mean, Ryuben
Yeah.
said damn, and the automod just censored it. So I don't
Dude,
know.
we gotta discipline the mod, man.
Wow.
He's taking
Yeah,
control of our chat right now.
yeah. Okay, yeah. They shall not rule us. Anyway, PlayStation is planning to make more mobile games.
What do
Uh,
you mean by more
oh yeah,
mobile
that's
games?
that.
What all
Oh
games
no,
are there,
not
dude?
not more mobile games. They're planning to
Yeah.
make mobile games now.
Why are you saying
Jesus,
more?
sorry. I think they definitely would have published at least one mobile game. My friend was yelling and ranting that its probability is 1 in
Yeah.
500. Yep. 500? Is it? Yeah, 1 in
Yeah, one and
500.
five. So
Hmm.
you have to open 500 packs and then you'll get it.
But then nomenclature now you won't get it for the next 500 packs, I believe. But
No,
then
no, no, no.
you can still
That's
get
not it,
lucky.
dude. That's when the cycle starts again.
Yeah,
So
so
it's
you,
not.
you can still get lucky. Maybe you'll get it at like 16th pack next time.
Guys, this is interesting.
Indian,
Ruben says, "Have you seen the trailer for an Indian AAA game?"
which AAA game Indian? Because I know Raji. Um,
I know 4G.
oh God,
But that isn't AAA.
is it? Is it?
4G was the one, man.
Wasn't it
Dude,
like
have you guys
released?
played 4G? Yeah, it's
Yeah,
released, dude. It's a mobile game. What the
It's
hell are you talking about?
released? What?
Yeah.
Wait, let me check.
yeah, dude.
Dude,
It was like one of
we
the
have a Sardar
best,
Army guy.
like, hype games.
It has
Yeah,
5 million plus downloads and the average score is 2.2 stars.
Dude, we have to play that game, dude.
dude, I would give it less than that. Yeah. Why not?
Unknown 9.
Just do one stream with that.
I mean,
Unknown 9.
Dude, Pritesh is saying Modi is the main villain.
oh, Unknown 9. I've
Hey, this guy will get a podcast banned
I'm
in
not
India,
gonna
dude.
entertain that.
Hey, I'm
I'm
not
not
going to hear
saying
anything bad about
anything.
Modi ji, okay? Please, let's not make this political. Let's just stick to games.
So Unknown
Unknown
9
9?
is made by Reflector Entertainment Limited. I've seen the trailer in one of the E3s or something. I think it looks really good. But is it?
Can we watch the trailer right now?
Yep.
Let's watch the trailer right now. Since we haven't seen it, let's just do it right now.
Yep. Uh,
Sorry, Karthik, we can see your screen.
that's fine. It's okay, dude. I got nothing to
That's
hide.
fine.
I'm
Okay.
not showing you my history.
What?
Yep.
Oh, this will be a cutscene right now.
I
What?
mean, yeah, this is definitely
But
pre-rendered.
look at the cutscene, dude. What
Yeah.
the fuck?
Hmm.
This still really, really good. Regardless.
Wait.
Nice reaction.
Oh. Didn't expect that. Okay.
Dude, this looks so cool. Oh
Yeah.
my god, have I been sleeping under a rock?
I think this is the only news we ever heard about it. Like at Gamescom 2020, that was the last we heard
Oh,
about
so
this.
they
Yeah.
showed this and then they dipped.
Yeah. Then I mean, I haven't heard anything. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, looks pretty cool, man.
No, Ruben says no gameplay footages yet.
Yep.
Dude, I hope this has something to do with Indian
The girl
mythology,
unlocked
man.
flame gun.
Dude, have you heard of Raji, the game?
No, they
Yeah.
should really, really do that.
It's like one
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
highest. It's like
But
one of the highest
but it's a
budgeted.
platformer, right?
No, it's more of an action adventure with an isometric view. I don't think it's a platformer. I don't think it could
I like it.
classify
An
as a.
But
isometric
it's a
platformer.
mix of I like what I read about was that it's a mix of
Like
Indian and I think
Sharingan.
Indonesian, if I'm not wrong, right? Or what was it? Something. I didn't play Raj either.
Hmm.
I want to. I really
Yeah,
want to.
I've bought it already, but yeah, I haven't
I
gotten
want to
around to
play
playing.
Raji.
Alani.
That sounds so wrong, dude. I
Yeah,
want to play with Raji.
but yeah,
It does,
we definitely should at least buy Raji
but it
because
looks like a really, really good game.
support Indian developers
Ah,
and whatnot.
After CTR, I'll get that.
And indie games.
Yeah, and indie games like and it looks pretty
Yeah.
cool. Like, and I've always as a child, like I've always wanted to dive into like I used to play so
Good.
much GTA Vice City, And
I've
then
always wanted GTA India, dude. Like
yeah,
GTA.
exactly. Like I used to go on so many road trips, and I used to be like, if I was a player,
Same
and like
here.
if I was a GTA character, and I was
Have
like,
you guys
This
played
could be
GTA Punjab? Like GTA with mods? So
nah.
they replace the car models with tractors like
Mm.
no,
Indian cars and shit like that.
Have you? Oh, by the way, guys, have you seen
really.
Black
I've
Myth:
never
Legend of
tried it.
Wukong? It's coming
Yeah,
from
I've seen that.
That's what Ruben says. Yeah,
yeah. It's a Chinese game. I mean, I can show
Ruben
that.
is just he was just talking about that. That looks really really good. Like that's like one of those games where like just the trailer itself, like the gameplay.
Yeah,
You
the
look
game
at it and you're like,
gameplay
okay, I'm
looks
gonna buy
mad.
this when as soon as it comes.
I mean, just look at this. Fuck.
And considering it's like a really really small studio,
Hmm.
like, but look at that. Just look at that,
I don't know, man.
man. This is gonna be fun.
I after
RIP.
Cyberpunk, I just get like
Oh yeah.
flashes, dude.
RIP our wallets, but
You don't get. You don't,
I don't get excited anymore, man. Like
the
I don't think it's gonna be that expensive, right?
my innocence has died now. Like I used to get excited for games when I look at these trailers and these high-end graphics. Now I just think about the apologies that they'll have to make when they release the game.
yeah,
I
like
just think, what excuse will they come up with
No,
now?
but just look at it.
see these people like
Dude,
one thing that we can look forward to
look at
is
that. Look at that.
one reason to be optimistic about this game is there's no publisher on top of them, like they're not forcing them to release the game just because business, that's what happened with Cyberpunk.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think that's one thing to be positive about, because I don't think they're going to rush this game. I mean, even if they
Yeah,
just release this game like just
man,
with
that
this
looks good.
scene or just this level, I mean, it would still be a damn good game. I mean, just look at it. I mean, of course there's
I read somewhere that
Ruben
this is
says
more
there's
of
no hope
a
seeing it
demo
outside
to
of China.
get investors. Sorry,
I was saying
Farhan?
Ruben says it's there's no hope of seeing it outside China.
really.
What?
Well,
Like, do
fuck.
they not
That's
want
what he
money?
says
That would be
because it's
sad.
a Chinese game. No,
Yeah, I mean,
I'm
it is a
I'm sure
Chinese game.
they
Yep.
will release it outside China. I mean,
Dude, whatever is in China just
yeah.
reaches everywhere in the world. It's
To be
okay.
to be fair though, yeah, like there's a lot of Chinese games, really good Chinese games that haven't released worldwide. So maybe I hope this is not one of them because it looks mad. I mean,
Yeah.
look at that character model, the enemy or that big character model. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
And then you turn into a bee. That's a bit weird, but whatever.
That that's interesting.
And there's
That's
Genshin
interesting.
Impact. Genshin Impact.
Oh yeah, Genshin Impact. Yep. Where is it from?
I
Is it from
think
China as
no
well?
man is
Genshin
Genshin Impact a
Impact
Chinese
is
game?
no, dude. I think
I
it's
think it's
Japanese probably.
Genshin Impact.
uh MiHoYo. Sounds like a Japanese
Okay,
developer.
are we doing a are we doing a Wikipedia article?
Yes, let's do it.
That's Korean.
Oh, that's Korean? Okay.
Ruben says it's Korean.
Okay, cool. But yeah, like Wukong looks
Okay.
promising.
Regardless, let's come back to this week's game news.
Oh yeah. Oh damn. Yeah, this is
Let's
like
go back to
old
this
news.
week's game news topic.
Yeah, Xbox and Bethesda E3 showcase. Are you guys interested at all?
Uh, I'll just watch the highlights, dude. I don't want to watch it live.
Hmm.
Mm, yeah,
Like,
yeah.
what does Bethesda have to offer?
But I think
Okay, MiHoYo is
Like,
Chinese as well. Ryoben just confirmed.
okay.
nomenclature also said that. Okay, before Ruben, you give him credit where it's
Okay,
due.
no, Nomenclature confirmed that before Ryoben.
Uh, I
Thank you,
got your back, bro.
Okay.
So I mean,
Are
Anyway,
you guys like really into the whole
dude,
like
I used to be
Xbox and
really
Bethesda
excited
thing?
for
That's what you guys were talking about, right?
I used to be really excited for E3 like before 2018, and after that, like I don't really care watching stuff live anymore. I'm interested in PlayStation
mhm.
because I have that console and I want to know like what's up with that, but not really with every other game because Bethesda had what Fallout showcased
There's a
and
lot,
Fallout 76
Yep,
last time, and
which was a disappointment.
and
Fallout
Elder
76,
Scrolls,
which was a
right?
disaster.
Whoa.
And I had just played Fallout 4 before that, and I was like, yeah, I was interested in that game. And then again, the whole thing happened, and
Hmm.
I don't know, dude. With my luck, I just like all the games that come out to be really shitty for some reason. And like right now, also, I
Okay,
don't
no,
have
don't
an
worry.
Xbox.
Let's suggest some good games for you next time.
Yep.
I don't really care about Xbox as of now because whatever is a third party game will come to PlayStation. If there's any exclusive, we'll see. I don't know if I'm interested in that, but I care about PlayStation. So, and PlayStation is not coming around this year on E3, right? They
Not on
have their
E3,
they're
but
having
they're gonna
their
have
event.
their own event for sure. Um, they will hopefully, fingers crossed, announce God of War Ragnarok. It is called Ragnarok, by the way. It was just confirmed, like it was in one of the.
Like, wasn't it confirmed way back?
No, no, it was just confirmed. So Sony had an investor meeting, investor presentation. So
I think
there,
wasn't there like a
Have you?
trailer?
no, there's no trailer. There's nothing. So the first,
No, no, not a trailer, just the title, right? I remember the whole blue background and the whole.
yeah, like so that's the thing.
I don't
Like
know. I remember seeing that.
I recently
Am I wrong?
read the news. So that probably was just a rumor. Um, so they had an investor call recently, and then that's where they confirmed that God of War, the next God of War is Ragnarok.
Isn't
Okay.
Ragnarok supposed
I
to be
think
like
that's
the
a
end?
pretty cool title
Yep,
considering how
yep.
hyped up it is.
Hmm.
Like
And of
what comes
course,
after Ragnarok?
Yeah.
the nothing. That's it. That's the end of the gods, I think.
Let's see. Let's see.
We shall see.
Just like God of War
So yeah,
3 was
my
supposed to be.
hype levels for Xbox and Bethesda are really like they're not too high because obviously I'm not mainly an Xbox gamer, but I do have Xbox Game Pass, so I'm definitely hyped
Dude,
for it.
the thing is, Xbox, if they anything good from now on, like about first party games and all, everyone will just be will be happy. Like, okay, cool, something is happening. But then Xbox hasn't been really doing much since a very long time in terms of creating their own stuff. They're just buying studios. They bought Bethesda now.
Yeah, I mean that's why.
That's
So
it.
their first party library was always lacking. That's why they acquired Bethesda, and Bethesda is huge. There's Elder Scrolls 6 that's coming up. I mean, Norman
It is true.
Creature also mentioned that. Um,
What? Where did you
there's
mention that?
Starfield. Um, there's Starfield that's like that was announced, which is like the new space RPG. So it's basically Fallout in space. I mean, it's been done before. It's been done in Outer Worlds. So that's
Okay.
basically people who made Fallout. They left
Yeah.
Bethesda and then they made their own studio and then they made the game Outer Worlds.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
but people are really hyped about Starfield. And if Starfield, oh no, it was confirmed. It was confirmed that Starfield will be an Xbox exclusive. So people were really mad about that. Obviously, because you know PlayStation gamers are gonna be mad. But that's why they acquired Bethesda in the first place so that they can
Not
get
going
all
to be
these
mad.
exclusives.
Like I had an Xbox before. I was an Xbox fanboy, but they're just not doing anything proper after
Yeah,
2013.
yeah, they
Like
they
right
didn't.
now, they are going on a really good path, dude.
Yep.
Like I look forward to whatever they
Hmm.
come up with, but not
Yeah.
really interested in whatever they have to show live. I can just watch the highlights. Like cool.
Yeah, that's fair.
Just let me know what's new coming up, so that at least if something good is happening, I can look forward to the Xbox E3 next time.
Hmm. I wonder. I wonder how the E3 week would be for us. Like, how would we capture it? How would we capture all the news in a week? I don't know.
Farhan will have to go to his cafe at night, bro. Like
Yeah.
sitting at his cafe.
Yeah. I don't mind. We will just have like daily sessions just to cover everything up.
Yep. We shall see.
I
I
don't
mean,
mind.
hopefully
It's
by then
Diablo 4,
by
guys.
then all of
Diablo
our
4.
stream is also polished and sorted.
Have you
Farhan,
guys played
Yes,
Diablo?
yes, definitely.
no, I have not.
Have you guys
I've
played
never played
Death
Diablo.
Stranding?
Nope,
Do you care about
Nope.
that game?
nope.
I just saw the story and I was just like, no, no, no,
No,
no.
I want
I,
to.
I, I just read the story. I was like,
Mhm.
okay, I don't like this.
I'm really intrigued about the story as well of Death Stranding, but the only thing is that's keeping me from playing it is just it's so laxing. Like, you're just walking across the whole terrain and you're just walking with like these huge cargo, and then you're just walking and then you're just walking. And I'm just like, nah, that's why I didn't complete
Have
Red
you
Dead
guys seen
Redemption
the
2.
honest trailer for that?
I think that game could have been fun if it was co-op,
Have you
bro.
guys seen
Like
the honest
imagine
trailer
seeing
for
each
that?
other.
Oh God,
Yeah,
dude.
I've seen that.
Like imagine two
Yeah.
people just walking across a terrain for like 2 hours.
They released
Dude, I love these kind type of games, bro. Like you just spend time with your friends and do shit. Like I would purposely go and push someone off a cliff. Like
Yeah,
that's it.
definitely. Um,
I bought
yeah,
an Xbox just to
yes,
play Halo
I can
series,
yeah,
dude.
understand.
same. I I
I
bought an Xbox just to play Forza Horizon.
I think
I
everyone
had
did
the
that.
original
Right?
Xbox.
I
I
think
had
like
Xbox
every
360, and then Xbox One just went downhill, and
Yep.
I never looked at Xbox again.
never owned an Xbox.
Yeah, Xbox
Okay,
One.
guys, let's continue.
Oh yeah,
Let's
let's
move to
continue.
the next.
Damn. So next is
This is
just a small one. Like Borderlands 3 is getting
Okay, I
crossplay, but not on
dude.
PlayStation.
Sony need to get their heads out of their smug asses, bro.
Yeah,
Like
dude.
every
that's
time
right.
they just have some or the other issue. They become a newspaper, dude. Daily there's a
Legit.
new issue with them.
It's like and so this was actually revealed in the Apple versus Epic law battle slash whatever it is, whatever they are doing. So it was revealed that Sony was charging extra
Okay,
fees just so they people could switch on crossplay on their platform. So this is basically 2K just saying no, fuck you, we're not gonna pay you.
yeah,
So
I think Sony. Okay, the way computers are evolving right now, the the moment a console comes out, like it gets old within a 2 or 3 years, right?
mhm,
And I think that's what people are moving on to PCs right now, and consoles don't really feel that um that powerful over a few years. Like I mean, look at Cyberpunk. Like it came out at the end of the PlayStation cycle and can't really place the PS4 can't handle it at all.
mm,
So like what I think is that Sony wants people to buy PlayStations, right? If someone wants to play a game on with their PlayStation friends, they should own a PlayStation. And if they just buy a PC and buy it for cheaper, and then they
mhm,
they they, they will lose out on the sales probably. And like PlayStation, of course, dude, like the games on that the platform, it's amazing.
yep,
So I think they just want their player base to stick to them. Like, see, if you want to be
mhm,
in the cool group, you got to be one of the cool people and buy our products, and not just buy something else and play with people like in this group and in this community like
and I
that.
mean
But
Sony. Mhm,
over time, like it gets irritating, dude. Like there are a few games, and then there are a few games that do
yep,
not have crossplay,
yeah.
and it's just do it, dude. Like either you implement it completely or you just don't implement it. Like people have to uh you know look at the other platforms, and then they have to see that okay, these guys are enjoying with PC and Xbox and play together. Meanwhile, look at us. That's just
Mm.
stupid, dude.
Yeah, the only good thing about, I mean, no, sorry, not the good thing, but the only thing that's working for Sony is that despite all of these their decisions, and obviously it's not good in the public eye. It's not good. Sony is kind of seeming like a douche more and more, but Sony doesn't care. I mean, we still bought PS4s, we still are gonna buy PS5s, so
yeah.
that's just how it works.
Dude, Nomenclature wrote in the
Just
chat that
someday
I'm going to
when it's
push Adil,
available.
and I was exactly thinking
Yep.
that thing.
Yeah, we've all seen your Dying Light 2 gameplay. No, Dying Light
I was
1 gameplay.
exactly thinking of that. What if I push Adil off a cliff?
Like one.
Nice.
Dude, right now, for me, the selling point of a video game is co-op, and like how fun would it be to mess around with Adil in that
Wow,
game?
nice.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't know that
Okay,
Resident Evil is
guys,
getting a Netflix series.
Resident Evil is getting a Netflix series.
yeah, you don't know about that, dude.
No.
That actually looks nice. Okay, like look
Huh.
at the
Okay.
characters and all. It looks really nice. I don't know. What I watched, I think I watched a trailer
Really?
or a
Is there a
sneak
trailer?
peek, probably. Yeah, dude, look at Leon in that. Do you know Leon?
Yep.
Farhan, do you know Leon? Have you played Resident Evil 4?
But I haven't played. No.
Look at this dude. Like I am actually.
Fuck, just look at this dude. Damn.
Hmm.
That looks cool.
That's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, I don't think
Is
it's
that
from
his heart?
Yep, that's it. That's his heart.
Is that his heart?
Yep. We know the weak point now.
Uh,
Should be easy to kill.
Huh? That's his heart?
Yeah,
Did you say that's
that's his heart.
his heart? Yes.
So yeah, I mean, definitely
Interesting.
co
Okay.
co-op co-op
I think let's
has
move on
it's
to the
Mr.
most
X
important,
mutated.
most important thing. this week.
Yep, the most important why we set up this layout. So I mean, I was gonna do a transition.
Yes.
Thanks for totally ruining that, Farhan. I was gonna do a transition. I was gonna be like, oh Himanshu, oh you're into co-op
I'm
games,
sorry.
huh? So you must have liked
Yeah.
Dying Light. Oh, speaking of
Sorry,
Dying Light, let's talk about Dying Light 2. Fucking hell. Okay, now I'm all sad now.
Oh,
I'm
are
sorry.
we
I thought you
doing
would never
this?
come to that. Dude. Because,
I think
because
Karthik didn't want it scripted, right? Now he's
No,
just following
it's
his
not
script.
scripted. I just thought of that, dude.
Are you saying that our podcast is scripted?
I think Karthik has a script over there.
The
No, he
impossible.
has a script over there. I
Oh
think
god.
we are just like
Dude,
going with the flow. He has it ready.
I mean,
Like cue lights, and then suddenly lights come on, and then you
yeah, it's
start
like
like
there's
musical.
dialogues. Himanshu
Yeah,
comes
that's
in.
gonna be there soon. Someday,
Just
guys.
move on
Someday.
to the game, do it
Yeah,
again,
yeah.
then we'll be like, okay, moving on, moving on. We don't
Moving on to
move
the
on.
game. So Dying Light 2, huh?
Hey,
Have you guys seen this?
I have seen it, yeah.
Okay, this was 2019 gameplay demo.
No, I haven't. So
Okay.
this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna see it.
Oh, really? That should be interesting. Okay, cool.
Hmm. Nice. Watch it in like 5 frames per second.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening with that.
Also
It's
on
okay.
Discord,
So
you
then,
can select
no,
when you
it's
stream, right?
fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I don't know why my like even on the stream
Ooh.
it's not
Okay,
it's not
like I
60.
played a lot of Dying Light as of now,
Associate.
and I'm quite saturated with this. So
Oh, really? Fucking hell, I thought you would have more to say about this.
no, like I'm looking at the game and I'm
But
like
those are
really
but
interested
those
with
are different.
everything. But then because the city looks really better than before, and
Hmm.
like the amount of parkour that you can do over here.
Yeah.
But I don't really understand the parachute thing because this is about parkour and stuff like that, and then you add a parachute to it, so you just go to a building and then you just glide all the way.
Mm.
You know.
But I guess that's fair when you have a city which is this
Yeah.
big.
So what's not to like about that, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be fun. It's like
Dude, the
Arkham
thing about
City and everything. Like the whole
Dying Light
Arkham
is
game.
more about running away from the zombies, and zombies can't be airborne, so you can just jump from places and then parachute your way like that.
Or you can just drop kick zombies
What
off the
if they
roof.
are?
I hope they don't remove that.
Dude, playing Dying Light, I couldn't stick to the roads. I had to go like on top of buildings to
Mm.
escape zombies. Imagine getting a parachute. I don't know
Oh,
how
this
it
looks
works
cool.
out. Like I'm just saying. Dude, but parkour
Yeah,
in
I
this
think it's
looks
gonna be
actually
fun.
scary because we have skyscrapers
Like
and we are
after
jumping from
watching.
one skyscraper to another one.
Yeah,
Are,
that is pretty cool.
are we lagging for you, Farhan? Because you see, it seems like, we are talking and then you're talking and then your audio comes in later, but you don't know that we're actually talking. So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, I know. It's a bit laggy for me.
that's fine.
Like you guys can hear me a bit late, I think,
Yeah.
or maybe the other way around. But it's okay as long as
It's okay, just mute
it's
yourself.
clear. It's fine.
Wow. We're really doing that, huh? I mean, he literally made that post for us. Like, that post was hilarious.
Done now.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank
Um, but yeah, like, I like Dying Light 1. I hated the ending of it. It was a very cliched ending, and it was like a QTE event, basically. So I hated the end boss
Yeah,
fight.
dude, imagine building up the
Yeah,
whole boss fight and then you just press a few buttons and that's it.
that's it, yeah.
Lazy.
Is there anything interesting?
This
Not
looks
really,
good
man.
though.
Like,
Yes, zombies. Okay, you can throw people, I guess. Is he gonna throw? That was disappointing, though. He should have just thrown him off the building. Oh,
That
this looks nice.
was
I I'll get the gameplay for you. It's okay. That's on me.
Yes.
I can make a better trailer. I just need to call
Oh,
Adarsh.
oh no, they're doing your choices, your world. So it's like a multiple ending, maybe.
Yeah. So what they're saying
Whoa,
is that
damn.
maybe.
Fuck. That
there are
guy just
different
got
groups and
yeeted, dude.
then
Okay.
Oh god.
Okay.
I'm really tired of hearing this same thing again and again. Like, your choices
Yeah, dude.
lead to
It's
your own experience. Oh, it's so overused at this point.
yeah. It's very overused. Anyway, speaking of overused, I mean, one series that has been milking one developer that has been milking a series for quite a while is Far Cry. So let's talk about Far Cry. What do you guys think about Far Cry 6? Have you watched this trailer? Do you like the transition I did?
Before that, can I ask you guys? Can I ask you something?
Sorry,
Yes, I liked it. I like that. I like that. I'm proud of you, Karthik.
Yes.
But can I ask you guys something?
Hmm.
Name your favorite Far Cry game.
3,
If you guys have played like at least like more than three, name them.
3.
I've played
Okay.
all Far Cry games and I
Three?
love Far Cry 4. Far Cry
I've
4.
played from 3 onwards.
Thank you, Karthik. Everyone likes three, like
Yeah.
just because of Vas, right? Vas?
Yep.
I think it was Vas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, but four was like the best, like
Yep.
whole environment and the story and everything. Like, man, I remember like after playing Far Cry 4, I was like so into the whole
Yep.
the traveling bit. Like I was like, I really want to go like to North India and try
Yep.
to see if it's
GTA.
similar, and it was.
Exactly,
I was
dude.
like, hey, that's the Far Cry, that's
I
the Far Cry,
I
and
loved how they
and then the
captured.
music,
Oh yeah.
the
It's so close to
man, it was
heart in terms
crazy.
of the aesthetic and the whole setting because we're Indians and people used to like they used to abuse in Hindi and obviously the
Dude, but that
music.
also has an accent for some reason.
Yeah, that
It's not natural. I
it's
don't know why that happens. Okay, like does that happen to everyone? Like when they hear their
No,
language in
voice
video
actors,
games?
right?
Like why do we have shitty Indian voice actors for everything?
I think it's
कहाँ गया वो? ढूंढो उसे.
yeah, like
I
it's
have no
who talks like that? Like in India, nobody talks like that.
वो रहा, मारो.
Yeah, that is one thing, but that's the thing, right? Like if you think about it, I mean, now the next Far Cry is gonna be Spanish or based in Mexico or Spain, I think. Mexico, I think.
yeah,
So maybe there would be
yeah,
a lot of Mexicans who would be thinking, oh, who talks like that? You know, like that's the representation that so many
maybe.
people get wrong. Not a fan of the representation, not a fan of the fake Hindi accent, but I still loved it. I still loved how it looked.
Yeah.
I also like the villain a lot. Far Cry 4. So
Okay,
yeah,
I want to watch the trailer.
Oh,
Can we watch the gameplay?
yes. There's also a cute dog in this.
dude, it's Caribbean island of Yara.
Hmm.
I think it's
Yeah.
based on Cuba probably.
Oh, Cuba. Okay.
That's gonna be good.
I can actually.
Juan Cortez.
Can you guys hear this?
What do you think gave it away, Wapu?
You
No,
you may not be able to, but
Fucking
can
waste
the
of
stream
time.
hear this?
Can you whistle?
What?
Nah, you can't whistle.
Yep. Nice.
is that what GTA 5?
Not bad, Danny. But we're
Like when you were
just
talking about
not
milking.
Rule number
Do you
one.
guys
A
do you
good
guys like the
guerrilla
elegant?
is a hidden
Like
guerrilla.
what?
Puerto el Perro.
What?
The alligator, dude. The alligator in the
Yep.
t-shirt.
Yep.
Oh.
That was cool.
Across the country.
Did you guys see that?
Okay, like I looked at this thing and I thought, what is it going to be third person? And I think like no, it's just for the trailer probably.
Hmm.
We go in, grab our people,
There are some
But it-
aspects that will be third person because there's like rockets strapped to your back and you can use those.
piss and fire to
I wish they have co-op.
Yeah, dude, there will be
Oh
co-op.
yeah, right.
Because there was co-op in Far Cry 4,
Yes.
there was co-op in Far Cry 5, and there will be co-op in Far Cry 6 for sure.
vehicles.
Ooh, nice vehicles, man.
You're gonna love it, Danny.
Damn. What? There's like
I
NOS?
can't wait to.
A good guerrilla.
It looks more like a zombie game.
Yeah, it looks so similar to Dying Light.
I'm sure you know every
Actually, right?
danger. From the bloodthirsty jungles, postcard
Ooh,
shorelines.
nice.
I think this was because of Primal, right? The whole bow and arrow.
Yep.
Did you guys play Primal?
It's up to you.
I started it, but then I just didn't like the aesthetics. So I was like, out.
I did like a
Take
bit.
secret
I
paths
got
carved
bored.
in the
Yeah.
dirt of
Yeah.
old revolutions.
Same.
Hola, Danny.
How you doing?
Or take a risk and operate in plain sight of Castillo's asshole.
Nice, dude.
Go ahead
Let me
and
just
hide
fast
your
forward.
weapons to blend.
To the doggo. That doggo is so adorable.
Oh
You
yeah,
really
what's up
wanna
with
see
that?
the dog. I
Yes,
think
they
I
do.
think I think this guys this is the part. The weapon. Did you
Oh
guys
yeah.
see the weapon?
Yeah, I saw.
You and I both
Man, I really like the
Monkeys.
whole weapon thing. It's like so
Reguerilla.
cool.
But
You
the
Reguerilla.
thing
can
is,
build
like,
your own
if
shit.
you look
Like,
at Far Cry
but there's some
3,
crazy stuff.
Far Cry
That's
4,
what I was like.
Okay,
and then
guys,
you
guys,
look at this trailer.
pause for the doggo.
Okay, wait,
Always brings a friend along.
who's like?
Aw. Oh my god, this doggo is so cute.
Dude, like, if you look at Far Cry 3 and Far Cry 4,
Mhm.
and you look at this trailer and they do not mention which game is it, do you think that it it seems like a sequel to that, or
Nope.
a game from the same franchise?
Nope.
They're moving
Game
away from the Far Cry thing, but
came from
I don't, I'm
this.
not against it.
Mhm.
They
I
are the
I think it looks like the game from the same franchise, but it definitely doesn't seem like a sequel because all the aesthetics and all the settings are so wildly different that
Yeah.
you can't really tell, it definitely feels like it's from the same franchise though, because obviously it has that, heavy
were you guys
weapons.
disappointed that didn't
Sorry
they
for,
didn't really tease the bad guy, like the big bad, you know? I
yeah.
mean, like I was so
Mm,
excited for that, like when
yep.
I saw the whole teaser
Yeah,
because I really love the actor,
yeah,
And
his
dude,
his name is
Giancarlo,
Giancarlo Esposito.
right?
Giancarlo? I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah.
Esposito. Yes,
Esposito?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
nice. Yeah, I
Yeah,
loved him in Breaking
man,
Bad, dude. What
such
a
a good
villain.
actor. Yes,
He was in
yeah.
what
Every
was that
single
Star Wars show?
Mandalorian,
Mandalorian, yes.
Mandalorian,
The Star Wars show.
Mandalorian.
Yep,
Yes, the Star Wars show, dude.
the Star Wars show. The Star Wars show that's on Disney
Fast
Plus.
and Furious 10. Yeah, I think yeah. Do you guys don't you guys think this has a Fast and Furious 5 like vibe? Actually, he's right. Like Norman Creature, he's like Fast and Furious 10.
Mm,
It has that whole vibe, right? Far Cry 6.
yep.
Think about it.
watched
Far
Back
Cry
for
10.
Blood.
I can imagine like Vin Diesel coming up in a car and going like,
Yep.
Family,
Cuban
you know,
family,
Cuban Vin Diesel.
that's
family,
gonna
family.
be fun.
Dude, can't wait to climb those towers 10 times
It's
to
gonna be
unlock a
good.
part of the map in this game.
Oh
Family.
God, yeah. But I don't know, man. People still love
Uh,
it. People still buy
yeah.
the
Oh
game.
yeah.
That's why they're
Yeah.
making another game. I don't know. Norman Creature also asks,
Yeah.
next Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon where?
Mhm.
Let me tell you, it will be in a jungle. Because that's just how every Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon is. There will be jungle, there will be different terrains, because that's just how Ubisoft does things now. There will be a desert aesthetic, there will be a forest jungle aesthetic, and yeah, there will be some buildings where you're rescuing
Obviously.
important people and or maybe killing important people. But yeah,
Watch
that's
Back for Blood, please. Or, dude, I think
Of
oh
course.
we're
Thank you,
constrained
Karthik.
of time right now.
oh yeah. Yeah, but dude, haven't we talked about Back for Blood? It's the Left 4 Dead spiritual sequel.
No,
Dude, I love these kind of games. Have
Yeah.
you played Left 4 Dead,
I haven't.
Yep.
Farhan?
Mhm.
Oh, fucking hell, man. I thought you were asking me.
It's
No,
like a
I haven't. I
four-player
haven't.
co-op, and it's a zombie horde game. Like, you keep on fighting waves of zombies, and it's really fun, dude. Like,
Hmm.
it's an amazing game. Like,
Yeah.
you play with
Okay.
people. These type of games are amazing. Even though they're like generic zombie
Yep.
games, you
I
just can't stop
I
having
wouldn't
fun
call
with
Is it
them.
Left
like
4 Dead.
Zombie Army? Is it like Zombie Army? Like
Zombie Army was actually a very shitty game, to be honest. But to play it with friends, that's why I enjoyed it.
That's the thing. Like
yeah,
every
it was
game,
just free.
if a game is like 3 out
It
of
was
10
free.
fun, every game just becomes like it gets at least 2 3 points just for playing with friends. That fun factor just increases always with friends. But yeah, I would say Left 4 Dead 2 is not exactly just another zombie game because I think it was one of the first zombie games that did it really well back then. I mean,
I
it's
was talking
pretty,
about Back for Blood. Like,
yeah,
oh
Okay.
wait, did I say about? I mean, it's a zombie game, bro.
yeah.
It's oversaturated right
It's
now.
a zombie
It's
game. Yeah,
been
it's definitely
going on since a
oversaturated
very
now.
long time.
It's definitely saturated now. But
It's like battle royals at this point.
yeah,
There's just so many everywhere.
yeah. It's everywhere you go, there's like a zombie game. That's fine. There's and there's new zombie games coming as well. Dying Light 2 being one of the examples.
Last of Us
Cool.
Part
Speaking
3.
of things on the horizon.
Dude,
Don't
this
know.
one was nice. Okay, this one was nice.
Oh,
Wow,
So
Karthik.
What are your I'm gonna say guys's again. So what are your
Okay,
guys's
Karthik,
hype
good one.
levels for
For
Horizon
Horizon?
Forbidden West?
My
Yeah,
guys
boss.
is
Okay.
Hmm.
okay. Did you guys like the first game? Like, let
No,
me
no,
know
no.
about
Wait,
that
wait, wait,
first
wait, wait, wait,
before
wait.
we go on to this.
Did you guys like The Last of Us Part 1?
Yeah, I loved it.
Did you guys
Yes.
like The Last of Us Part 2?
Why do you
Are
want to
you
talk
gonna
about
cry
Last of
about
Us
it
Part 2? We
again?
don't
No,
need
no,
to
no, no.
talk
Wait,
about
wait,
it.
wait,
No,
wait,
I
wait,
did
wait,
not
wait,
cry.
wait. Now, Horizon. The thing is, I love that game, okay? I am
Yes,
really looking forward
yes,
to the Forbidden West. But
yes.
I have had very shitty experiences. So I would stay away from, being hyped for the game. Looking at whatever they have shown as of now,
Yep.
it looks really good. Like
Come on,
the
man.
whole thing is amazing. The look at the those velociraptors, dude. That's what they call it. Like
Look at the hair. Oh my god, just look at the hair. Fucking hell, that looks so good.
That is amazing. So
Damn.
good, dude.
I mean, this
I
is.
remember the hair in the first game. I did not really like it. It was like really bright,
Yep.
red, and now it's like perfect. Like
Yeah.
I don't know,
I like how like the environment
the
artists
whole environment, everything, every
put
single thing
so
is like
much
so
effort into all this environments, and we're just like, oh, look at the hair, dude. The hair is what
dude, the environment is so dense.
Yep.
Like look at everything like that.
Yeah, dude. This game is gonna
But
take.
yeah.
but
Mhm.
somehow this whole area doesn't seem like very open world-ish.
Yep.
I even heard Angry Joe say that like this looks like you know a linear part of the story
Mhm.
because when she was going through the woods, there was a path that she was following,
Maybe.
right?
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There was a path. Yep.
So maybe that is why this looks so good. But I don't know, dude. Like the game looks amazing on the whole. Look at the graphics, man.
What have you guys played the first one? Like completed the first one?
Yeah, I platinumed it.
Oh yeah, I also platinumed it. Farhan, did you play it?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
Okay, so what do you
Oh,
guys think
nice.
Did
about
you did
this?
you platinum it? Okay,
Yeah, I
Ah,
that
did. I
is a
did.
dude,
good.
if you don't
You
platinum it, you
did?
don't really play. Wait, really?
I did not platinum it.
Oh,
I did not.
Hey, I
I
didn't.
did not. I
so
don't
so
have
Oh,
the
you
your
didn't.
opinion
horsepower
Okay,
to
doesn't
okay.
do
count.
all
No,
that.
I'm
Dude.
just kidding.
I
Okay,
just move on to the next.
just mute
I'm
yourself.
sorry.
Just mute yourself.
No, but I don't know, man. Like the people were having a conversation about Horizon Zero Dawn at work recently, and they all seem to hate it. Like I don't know. I really like the story, and they thought I agree that it is quite a boring game, like in terms of side missions, because Himanshu would agree to this. Like
I don't think you can't stream this game, dude. I don't think it's a streamable game probably.
why?
It's an experience that you sit and play on
Yep.
your own.
Mm-hmm.
But
Yep.
then I played one again. Like I tried playing the DLC.
Mm-hmm.
It is actually quite boring, but the thing is, when this whole thing was introduced, like the whole new world, at
Yep.
that time people were really excited to experience it. And now I guess like right now we know the story and we know what's happening. So maybe that is why they have that opinion, you know?
Maybe. But then they were saying like, okay, the story was predictable. It wasn't
Maybe.
predictable for me. Oh, there's like a grappling hook in this. What?
Yeah, you didn't see that?
No. Oh my God, look at this underwater,
Yeah.
dude.
So
Fuck.
okay, wait, guys. This is the part. This is the part where we really, really need to focus on, dude. I mean, the whole game like wasn't like centered around like more than just the main
Wow.
part of it, like which was on top basically. But now we are going underwater, and I think that's
Fuck.
exciting.
This is
Dude, it is so
exciting.
difficult
And
to
the best part,
render
I think you can
water.
even hide, right? Like if you see, I'm sure, dude.
Like,
It is
I'm
I
so
think you can
difficult
even
to
hide
render water,
in like
man.
the
It looks
whole
really nice.
it
seaweed and all that.
Yeah, she's hiding
Look
over
at that.
here.
It
wow. And
looks
it's
really.
it's already so detailed,
Yeah.
like
See,
above
look
the
at that.
water. Like
Look
the,
at that.
the initial parts of the gameplay, it's already so
Dude, this
detailed.
game,
And then now I realize that was only half of it because this is also so
Yeah.
detailed. Like underwater is so detailed. Like it just,
this game
damn.
looks really nice, bro. There's
Yeah.
nothing to say against it.
And it's, what do you, have they
It does.
confirmed it? I'm not sure if
And
they've.
look at this part. Look at this part. You can even like push yourself off.
Mm-hmm.
Look
Yep.
at that. That's cool.
Yeah, man. And the thing about
I think I don't know. I am excited for this game. I'm
yep,
like
same.
really looking forward to play. Like you
And
know.
the thing
I'll just
about
watch the reviews first.
yeah, obviously. And the thing about Guerrilla Games is
Just
like they never do crunch. So that's what happened in Horizon Zero Dawn. Like it's like just a short story. So the game was in shambles. Okay, the whole project was in shambles. Like nobody knew what was going on. But then I think a producer or a manager, she came along and then she she basically lifted it all up, and she just said like, okay, I'm gonna fix this game. I'm gonna fix everything about this game, but without any crunch. And then obviously they released Horizon Zero Dawn, which was an amazing game. So yeah, props to that lady, that manager slash producer. She did a really good job of it. And obviously crunch is, crunch just burns people out.
Really, really good
Crunch is
job.
not good. And we as like kind of artists, Himanshu is an artist, Farhan is an artist, I am half an artist. I know about art. I do some of art. So yeah, but yeah,
Dude,
it's
you
so important
you
not
can't
to get
pump
burnt
out
out.
creativity like
Yeah,
you make products in a factory. That's the thing.
yeah, you can't do that. And you can't force people to, sacrifice their sleep,
The
sacrifice their family time, sacrifice their life for this game. I mean, I don't think any game is worth it in that sense. So yeah, on that. But yeah, no. Moving on from the crunch part because it's really depressing for me. But let's move on. This looks good. This game looks
I think
amazing.
started having flashbacks, dude. He's like,
Yeah, I'm like, why? Yeah, because I remember like my colleagues
Uh,
at Ubisoft, they used to crunch a lot to earn money, and it just seemed like so harsh. That's not good. He's not good.
but other than that, like the whole setting, do you think
yeah,
there's
can you skip to the main battle?
Hmm.
a lot of difference, like in the gameplay? I think it's pretty similar.
Oh, this reminds me of that
No,
scene
but
in.
I think the setting is different.
Yep.
Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, Lord of the Rings. Yep. Legolas, he took down a war,
Yeah,
whatever that creature is called in
This
Lord of
thing
the
is
Rings.
cool, dude. I
I
see
don't know
Yeah.
what
everyone
you
is just
called it.
adding
Look at this.
gliding.
This
It's
this
absurd.
is cool. This is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude, I love the destructible environment in this.
But I think right
So good.
now at this point, yeah, I think at this point, like gliding and all these kind of game mechanics, it feels like really natural. It's not more
Mm.
like an add-on.
Yep.
It's just
Yeah.
something that's supposed to be there. That's what I feel like, right now.
And did you guys know that people are actually complaining about Aloy's looks? They're saying that she looks
Why?
more manly now. I mean,
Why?
there was this whole controversy that Aloy doesn't need to
Dude,
be
who
white.
cares about all of these things, man? People are so damn weird
That's
for some reason.
that's just
Who
how it is.
cares?
And like there was like
Yeah,
like what they wanted Aloy to look like. It's like this, really pretty, gorgeous, full of
Like I
makeup.
just imagine when someone watches a trailer and they're like, her face looks a bit manly. I think I have a problem with this game.
Yeah,
I'll just go type it
exactly.
online. Like, what the fuck is your problem, dude?
Yeah.
Like,
Would I
imagine
play?
these are the problems in your life, dude. I want these problems in my life.
Yeah, fucking hell.
I wish I had these problems where I'm just upset about, a
These,
video game character looking a bit manly.
yeah, fucking hell, dude. Actually, I agree. I want those
really
problems as well.
manly. Yeah. Do you guys remember do you guys remember when Nathan Drake was looking different from Uncharted 3 to
Mm-hmm.
4?
Mm-hmm.
It was like a big difference. Same with
I think
Ezio
that was
in
because of the graphical overhaul,
Assassin's Creed
probably.
2 and 3. Yeah, exactly, exactly. So I think this is pretty similar because this is again next gen, right?
Yep. This is
So
next gen, yep.
I don't see why people are
And
complaining.
she's in a fucking
They should
apocalypse,
just be
dude. Like,
happy, man. There's
do you
a new
really
game.
expect her to look like all girlish and,
I don't
have
know,
like
dude.
have
They want
makeup
her
and
to.
look gorgeous all the time?
Yes,
This is like
yes. I think
post-apocalyptic.
people really do.
Yeah, man.
They want her to be in one skin tight dress and wear heels
I
and
don't
fight. Oh
understand
Yeah.
my.
what's wrong.
Coomers, that's what we call them.
Wait, there was a game. No, there was a game. Oh yeah, Bayonetta, right?
Yeah, Bayonetta, yep.
The one where she's like this. She looks like a really, yeah,
Aloy is not
yeah.
Lara
She looks like
Croft.
a really
Exactly,
hot
dude.
teacher
Yeah,
or
This
something,
guy gets it.
exactly. Aloy is not Lara Croft. She's not like
and do
she.
TikTok.
Yeah, fucking hell.
I can imagine TikToks doing that.
But
You know,
oh, why are they making a sequel? That's
it's
an
gonna be
interesting
crazy.
question. Um, I don't know actually. Was because
Actually, dude, like, wasn't the
See the
first game
story,
a
the
really
the
good
way
package on
yeah.
its own?
Mm.
I mean, they want money. They have built a
no,
world, and
It
they
looks
can.
it looks good. It's gonna sell. It's gonna sell
it was
a
more
lot
like
of
a
PS5s.
cliffhanger, dude. It was.
It's going to sell a lot of
You
PS5,
remember
but it's
in
on
the end,
PS4 as
like
well.
No, it's
What's
not gonna
the
be on PS4. Impossible.
Dude, also like Farhan, I'm sorry I'm
it,
interrupting you, but your voice is lagging, so I don't
Yeah,
really
yeah,
know when you're
yeah. We
speaking.
don't really know if you're talking or not. It's like, sorry for the interruptions.
it's okay, it's okay. I can't do anything, I guess.
But yeah, I guess we'll find out, and obviously we still have a lot of thoughts about video games. And we've been at it for like what 1 hour 20 minutes now.
Yeah, dude,
So
I I have to give my laptop away now.
yeah, I think we should wrap it up now. And thanks a lot. Petition to replace
Yes.
Farhan.
Hey, Farhan, you better
Petition to
fix your
ban
internet, dude.
Pritesh.
We have other
I'm
people
after
over
that.
here.
Am
There are
I
people
still
waiting in queue, dude.
am I
Like,
still lagging?
Yeah, a
you've
little
been
bit.
lagging the whole stream. It's okay.
It's
Three.
okay, dude. It's
No, like let me know right now because I did change
What will
something.
you do right now?
I don't
it's
know
it's
why this is
done.
happening.
It's done, bro. The damage is done.
Farhan
I
wants
changed
to
my
do
Wi-Fi.
something when we
I
are
have
when
two
we are wrapping up. Like, wow, amazing, dude. Oh, guys, we're about to end. Okay, wait, I'll fix my stream now.
I can't help it. Yeah, there's 3 second lag between audio and video.
Is it
Dude, this guy literally counting seconds.
I don't know why that's happening,
is
guys.
it is it just with Farhan or is it with all of us?
Thank you. No, I think it's only me because I think it's because it's raining over here. So that's
Hmm.
why.
He should to remove
Sorry,
Farhan.
guys.
Well, okay. So yeah, I mean, I'm really excited to see all of these games come out, and hopefully they get good reviews, and they're not another Cyberpunk, because that's
Yeah,
really, really
please,
bad for the game industry.
please make me feel more excited about things. I want to be more hopeful about things in life. I don't want to live like this anymore.
Pre-order game.
Fucking hell,
Please
man. I want
do
to I
not
want to
pre-order
pre-order
any
Ratchet
game.
and Clank so bad.
Please.
Don't
I
don't
think
do
that's
it.
the solution.
Don't pre-order
Don't
anything.
don't. It's not worth it. Just wait.
At least wait 2 years, dude.
2 years.
Please do.
Wow.
After Cyberpunk, like, what do you expect me to do? Like, wait a year for the game to
Two
get
years.
fixed?
Yeah, fair.
Oh my
But
god.
it's
Okay.
finally okay to play.
Yep. I guess so. But I mean, it's still not back on PSN,
Okay,
so I
guys.
guess we'll find
Okay,
out.
I think everyone's in a line officially.
Yeah, fucking hell, everyone's in a line, dude. Everyone is like, oh, if you're ever replacing Farhan, let us know. Farhan, bro, now you
Dude,
really
Thank
gotta
you
actually, we can
guys
get
fix the
this fixed
internet.
sometime.
for showing me some respect.
Thanks for the support, guys.
Thanks for the support.
All right, on that supportive note, I guess we'll say goodbye for now. And we, I was born to do this, bro. I was born to do this.
Mistake.
I'll just say bye, like, for
Yes. Yes.
bye, everyone.
What a scam.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Oh, damn. All right, thanks so much for tuning in, guys, and yeah, a lot of interaction. And obviously,
Bye,
we
guys.
we we
Okay,
did
I'm
take
just
a
saying bye right now so that I can wave my hand after this.
wow.
I'll act like I'm lagging so that, Farhan doesn't feel alone. Bye, everyone. See you guys.
By the way, Himanshu, this is the fourth time you're doing this, but yeah, let's. I mean, I guess nobody paid attention to your
What are you
joke.
saying?
Can do it.
Scam.
I'm sorry, it's lagging for me.
Oh God.
Alright.
Farhan pre-firing. Oh yeah, Farhan is pre-firing. That's nice.
Hey,
Okay,
cool, dude.
guys.
Let's end it, dude. I
Yeah,
have
let's
to
end it.
leave now.
Let's end it. And I will
Yes.
see you all next week. Thanks
Yes.
for tuning in. See you
Okay.
Thank you,
guys.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes. Bye.